Can the Paulownia tree thrive in Canada? Exploring the empress tree's potential. What if one tree could help fight climate change, restore degraded land, and even boost local economies? Meet the Paulownia, also called the empress tree, and discover why it might be the next big thing in Canada's green future. What is the Paulownia tree? Native to China and named after Russian royalty, Paulownia is known for its elegant flowers, fragrant scent, and astonishing growth speed, up to 4 meters a year under ideal conditions. But there's more. It's one of the fastest carbon-absorbing trees on the planet. That makes it a serious contender for carbon offset projects and sustainable hardwood production. Can Paulownia grow in Canada? The big question: can Paulownia thrive in Canada? The answer: yes, in the right places. Cold hardy hybrids like Paulownia, elongata times fortunei, are bred for cooler climates. With the right care and placement, they can grow successfully in USDA Zone 5 and above. Growth timeline in Canadian conditions. Year 1 focuses on strong root development. By years 2 and 3, expect explosive vertical growth, 2 to 3 meters annually. By year 4, the tree develops a broad canopy, making it perfect for shade, windbreaks, or timber harvest. Environmental and economic benefits. A single hectare of Paulownia can sequester up to 20 metric tons of CO2 annually. In Canada, this helps fight climate change, reclaims marginal farmland, and creates opportunities in sustainable forestry. Invasiveness. What you should know. Is it invasive? Some varieties like Paulownia tomentosa can be aggressive in warmer climates, but in Canada's colder zones, natural spread is limited. Contact bioeconomysolutions.com for non-invasive varieties for your project. A tree for Canada's future. Fast, functional and beautiful, the Paulownia tree could be part of Canada's reforestation and carbon farming future, with the right species and care. Want to plant your own Paulownia forest? Start a reforestation project? Or explore sustainable furniture made from this amazing tree? We're here to help. Contact us for Paulownia saplings, hybrids, and project consultation. Discover Paulownia. Redefine sustainable living. Paulownia in Canada. Grow the future. If you're interested in Paulownia, want to grow? Contact us for saplings and consultation at bioeconomysolutions.com.